welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. Welcome. In today's video, I want to do a haul video unboxing this big, beautiful package that I've ordered from Russia. I live in Scandinavia, but I ordered this from Russia, and it is expensive, but it's worth it because I think that in Russia they make some really beautiful cross-stitch kits. So let's open it together and see what's in it. Stay tuned, it's going to be interesting. So let's start looking what's inside. The first thing that I bought, and I want to show you, this is an organizer. I've bought this one before. I wanted to have two of them. I felt like I needed two of them. This is made of wood, and this has magnets on it. So you open it like this, and you take this card and you can make a copy of it, and you place it here in the middle, and then you take the other piece, and it just stays here, and you can have all your floss here. So this is very good and practical, and if you take care of it, I think this is gonna last you a lifetime. So this is good. I love this one. So let's start with the kits. First kit here, this is by Riolis, Charming Gladioli. Beautiful flowers, and this actually doesn't have a lot of colors in there. I think this has like I think this has 17 colors, but it looks like it has a lot, but it doesn't. And this is ankle floss, and I think this is Zweigart Ada fabric. Beautiful bright summer colors. Yeah, very nice. Love it. Next one. This is by RTO. This is called Listening to the Silence. This has DMC floss in it, and this, I think she's so beautiful. She looks very much like she's Icelandic or something. Beautiful. I think she's very beautiful. And here's the floss, and here is the color is a bit like bluish, something like that, of the Ada fabric. Beautiful. Next one, this is Mereshka. I think this is from Ukraine. This is made in Ukraine, whereas the other ones are made in Russia. Beautiful flowers. Hydrangea, if I'm saying it right, I don't know. This has DMC floss, and this is 16 count. I think this is Zweigart Ada fabric. Next one. This is Russian, and it's called Maria Iskusnitsa. This is like a lot of different pickled jars with pickled stuff in it. I think this is gonna look great with all the colors. Love it. Flavor of Autumn. This has this is 16 count Ada fabric Zweigart, and it uses a floss that is called Finca, and this is from Spain, and the needle is Sperman from Denmark, and the fabric is from Germany, but this is made in Russia. And here is the floss. You can see a little bit of the chart, and it's in black and white. Next one, This is by, this is also Russian. It's called Zolotoye Runo, the company. And this is called Dance of Love. I'm not a big fan of dancing, but I did like the colors. That's what attracts me, the colors. This has Zweigart fabric. And this is Madeira floss. I think this floss is from Germany, if I'm not mistaken. And here is the floss. And the last kit, this is by Letty Stitch. Beautiful Christmas scenery. And this has anchor floss and Zweigart Ada fabric, 16 count. And the chart is in black and white. And this is what the floss looks like. And I have 2 needles here as well. So that was it. So let me know in the comment section what kit did you like the most? Was it this, or maybe Letty Stitch, Dance of Love, Flame of Autumn, Hydrangea, Listening to Silence, or Charming Gladioli? Let me know in the comment section what kit you liked and what you want me to start cross-stitching. And I hope you have a great day and a great week, and subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe because there's so much more to come. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.